Hi guys, welcome to the channel and welcome to our first look and actually the world premiere of the new Mercedes CLA Shooting Brake. So this is it, the shooting brake, and it's interesting policy from Mercedes. Why? Well, because first of all they introduced the CLA a few months ago in Las Vegas at the Consumer Electronics Show. Then we have this CLA Shooting Brake, so different style of the car, and you also have the A-Class sedan, which is somewhere over there, I do believe. So three pretty much similar cars, but of course in Mercedes they think older customers need different kind of vehicles, so they can, give you what you want, and they can make a lot of wishes come true because a lot of people have different tastes. So this is it, the new CLA Shooting Brake. From the front, it looks pretty much the same as the CLA. You have this new multi-beam LEDs. You have this Predator face, sort of in-your-face style, which looks very cool. But the main thing, of course, about this car is the back. What do we have here? Well, you have unusual styling, unusual type of the car. Look at this C-pillar extended over there. Looks cool, I think, but for me, CLA looks better. However, of course, this is also in a way a cool car, because it's very unusual. You don't see that kind of cars on the road that often. The rear lights do look similar to the CLA and of course the CLS because they have the similar lights. However, I think that the CLA overall from the back looks better. Of course, it's individual type of thing, so tell me in the comments what you think and would you take. Here is the CLA and here is the CLA Shooting Brake. So tell me in the comments what you think. Okay, however, the CLA, it's interesting the way you open the trunk. They just explained me now, I didn't know actually. So this is the trunk and it's really spacious. You can fit a lot of things in here, and because of the roof and everything, much more space than in other models. So that's kind of cool, and it's really it combines the practicality with styling, I think. So that's gonna be the main key for this car and for the customers. Now let's jump inside where actually everything is happening. Why? Well, because this car, CLA, which is pretty much almost the same except for the styling, was introduced at the Consumer Electronics Show in Vegas. Why? Because that's the place where you show your technology. And Mercedes is really one of the best in its segment when it comes to the technology, because here you have, as you can see, the crazy technology that's fitted inside. So MBUX system, the system that uses artificial intelligence, is even better now. It's much better at recognizing what you just said and stuff like that. So it's really interesting. Of course, another thing that is cool with the Mercedes Me or Mercedes MBUX, Mercedes-Benz user experience, is that the system is learning with time. So it learns your habits, learns everything. And with this car, you can even pair your smartwatch if you have it with it, and then you will get the crazy thing. So it will, measure your pulse and everything, and based on that data, it will tell you which ambient light to choose or which music to listen, which kind of driving mode should you put, and stuff like that. So it's learning your habits, and it's also learning the stuff about you. So it's crazy. It sort of becomes your like your personal assist, which is really, I think, cool. I don't know, if that maybe even scares you, but I think that's something that is very cool. And yeah, well, it's pretty nice. Tell me in the comments what you think about this new technology that is taking over, because cars are more and more advanced. They become sort of computers, I would say. And yeah, and Mercedes is pretty much, in the lead with that, let's say at the top with few other manufacturers, because they're really, pushing the limits of this. I mean, just look at this interior, and the A-Class also has the same one, which is really, cool. And when you say, hey Mercedes,
not available.
Hey Mercedes, hey Mercedes,
How may I help you?
Can you turn down the volume?
What would you like to do?
I want to turn on the AC.
Please switch on the ignition to use the function.
You see, so I wanted to turn on the AC. Of course, car is not on, so it can't be turned on, and the Mercedes me just said
How
that.
may I
So
help you?
that's really cool. And now when I
What can I
told
do
her
for you?
name, she's already, asking me again. Well, yeah, so that's it. This is the first look at the new Mercedes CLA Shooting Brake. Looks cool. Tell me in the comments what you think. But yeah, subscribe to the channel if you want to see more car reviews, and see you on the next one. Bye bye.